Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing in the very hot humid day, which is now appearing here in Boston Burbs. I'm sweating and recording it without fan or AC, so I might be looking shiny today. So I got new slides, which are Birkenstocks Arizona Eva in color watermelon. I got them on American Eagle because I have a credit card, so I decided to get them, and then I can pay slower, and I also have rewards collecting. That's why I got it there, and it was free shipping. And I've got in size 40, which is my, because I wear in US size 9.5, so I've got them in size 40, and it says 26 millimeters, US 9 for woman. And these ones are Arizona Eva, which is plastic slides. They are made from plastic, not from the normal materials. So let's open them. Here they have that things on the box. You can check your size, how long it is. That's convenient. Then slides, and then here comes with this. They have to be carefully stored because it's easy to get those wrinkles on them from buckles. Like when you put like this, then buckle might make imprints in our shoe. So because I yesterday took them out to see if they fit. So it is size 40. It says also on the inside here. The inside looks like this, the sole looks like this, sides. Here it says brand name. We have nice same color buckles, like here, and I don't know, I think they are from plastic, this kind. Buckles. They are flexible to some extent. Other one looks the same, but I made this imprint. Now I have to be careful how I store them. So I will put this on. And these ones are in narrow fit, so they are not that wide. But as I yesterday tried them on, they were fitting me fine. It looks like this. I have those things sticking out, plastic, so they are not super nicely cut here. They have some edges that are sticking out, like small particles. I have, for example, similar things, but these were for $10 from eBay, some dupes. So the dupes looks like this. Be right back. So they are similar. This is also size 10. The width, these ones are wider. when it comes to the look of them. These ones have different texture. They have some texture and these ones don't. But very flexible here, and those two. The material seems the same, just the little differences, and the buckles looks like this. They don't have any brand name, so I will try these ones and see how they fit. So yeah, that's my unboxing. This will be thumbnail maybe. So the Birkenstocks looks like this on me. They seems to fit and they run true to size. Because I wore 9.5 and this is 40, so I fit. Don't have to exchange, and you can make them tighter or looser. And I still have at least here I could looser, but don't need to. Oh, I can make tighter. I can keep them because I like the color. And I like the style, and maybe that's convenient to have here in the. It's convenient in the burbs to have, and in summer such shoes, because shoes really go bad when you sandals or other shoes when you walk on those roads. When with no pavement, it's easy to get shoes dirty, and then it's good to have shoes that are easy to clean. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.